Don't keep on laughing there because my storage is about to give up.
ATM checking what buy.
Hi guys, for today's video, mag-unbox tayo sa aking na-order sa Timo. But before ko ibubulgar kung ano talaga ang Timo, ay sasabihin ko muna sa inyo kung kung sino ako. Ako si Jarlene, and this is my husband, Miha. And of course, may dalawa kaming anak dahil nga diba, marami sa inyo dyan hindi nakikilala sa amin. Every time na nakakasalubong namin sila dito sa Pilipinas, kasi nga diba, nandito kami ngayon. Hindi pa kami yung bumalik sa Poland. And then, kanang follower daw sila namin. Tapos hindi nila alam kung sino kami. And this is my ex-boyfriend, Miha.
It's my ATM, boss.
Yeah. Ngayon, ibabulgar natin kung ano at sino si Timo. Kasi guys, na-order ko to siya June 8? Yeah. Ano na tayo ngayon? July na ulit. July 8. July 8, na-order ko tong Timo na to at July 19 siya dumating. Diba? Ang tagal-tagal dumating ng Timo na ito. Kaya tingnan natin kung maganda ba yung kanyang quality. Ayan na! Ibubulgar na natin ang laman ng box. Magayo pa nataga ko eh. Wait, agay! Crazy. Maybe, wait.
It's not my fault you don't
Can you hold this? Because you don't have
It's not my fault you don't
hold everything.
cut my nails in the...
Hold everything. Okay? There is still more. Okay? Ibulgar natin itong Timo na to kasi bakit ang tagal-tagal nilang binigay yung aking order at hindi ko na nagamit. Ayan, marami yung in-order. Akala nyo, tubre ako ha? Mayaman ako sa utang. So, ibigay mo sa akin yung una nating i-unbox. Give me! So, ito yung first na set. May pag-ganon to. Paano ba to?
I love Los Angeles, guys.
Batiga, hindi siya bagay sa akin. Sigara. Ito na nga yung ikalawa na in-unbox ni Tata Daga.
Wow.
That's your fault. So, ito yung ikalawa na in-unbox ni Tata. Agay, baby! So, yan yung kanyang style. Okay lang ba siya, Agnes?
No, style is without. Oh. You don't punch me in my elbow. I've been today in the doctor.
It's not my fault, baby! So, ayan siya. Next, agay! Ito yung pangalawa, guys. Bikini. Yan, meron siyang panet-net. Yan sa likod. And ito yung sa harap. At ito yung pangatlo, guys. Ikalawang bikini. Sino siya? Na, guys, yung tatlong bikini. And then, ito yung pang-anim. Mura ballerina, guys. So, pilang right niya nito. Dress na naman tayo kasi naubos na yung naubos na yung bikini. Meron siyang pa-short. Hindi talaga magkikita ang inyong kabilatan. Ayan siya sa tubangan at ito sa likuran. And this is the next one, guys. Color pink na black-lacking. And then meron siyang pa-belt dito. Pero pag wala siyang belt, para talaga siyang bathrobe. Kaya kailangan may belt siya, guys. Ito na nga, guys, di ba? Kung naalala niyo, magpapakasal si Maricoy doon sa Poland. At kailangan ko ng gown. Para hindi naman, na gown yung bogacious. Kaya dito ako sa Pilipinas bumili kasi baratuhan na, guys, ba? Pariya dito sa Poland na tag-dismail. Grabe naman. So, okay lang naman sa akin na magsuot ng mga mumurahin. Kaya ito na nga, bumili ako from Timo. Timo, baka naman, wag mong i-delay yung aking mga ino-order kasi na-discourage na ako sa'yo. Pero i-try ko pa rin. Isa lang yung gusto ko sa lahat ng unbox ko, ha? Yung unang gawin ko. Siya sa likod. Kaikat. Luwag-luwag siya, guys.
Pero nice siya.
Nice siya.
Pero luwag-luwag siya niya.
Nice daw siya. Ano sa inyo?
Pero style niya siguro.
Pero yung aking bra, dito nga talaga nilagay ni Agnes. Kasi nga daw, magkita sa likod. Kaya tinransfer niya dito yung bra. Kaya yung aking yutots. Nandito na rin sa ano. Malapit na sa chan. Tapos may pa ganto-ganto. Kaya lang ay...
Maybe it's true.
So,
Why he don't arrive today?
why?
In many airports in whole the world, it's not aircraft because Microsoft system have the problem.
So what happened?
It's some problem with the software and many airports like Cebu and Manila a lot of cancel the flight.
So we don't have flight next week? Huh?
Yeah, we
You
stay.
like my dress?
No.
Da-da-da. You don't
I
like-
enjoy. It's not even good.
Because I need to, I don't have the proper bra for this.
It's only for the video.
Oh my god. I'm stressing. You're stressing me.
Me?
Yeah.
You want Twilight? Beautiful. It's perfect.
Okay.
What is this? What do you mean?
Second, guys. Kasi nga, di ba, 2 araw magpapakasal si Marie. Dito na ako siya, guys, oh. Oh, sana on.
It's only for video, guys. It's you don't want to sleep with girl with like that. No.
Yeah, Timo.
Timo.
Late pa kag-deliver, late pa, bati pa imong quality.
Maybe. Where is the
Where's
plastic
Marie?
bags? Oh, look.
So, okay, i-try natin tong
Look.
malpula-pula na damit natin for the second day. Okay lang ba siya?
It's the best dress.
What?
It's the best dress. Look.
Okay, baby, you know, it's
Look.
yeah, it's smelly. It's smelly.
It's too small, Dubai. It's dress for the kid, you know.
You know, it's like Shein, good only for picture, but the quality is not nice. But at least it's nice in the picture, right? Yeah?
No, it's
Yeah,
not in the
picture
pictures.
is nice.
It's nice in the picture, but the
But
quality
why
is
you
not
want
nice.
to make picture in the bed?
What bed?
No, it's the swimming garment.
What?
Yeah, it's easy access and everything.
Swimming garment, easy access and everything. I don't understand it. Okay, this is the second one.
Hindi mo sarap.
Patay na, XXXX pa man.
You're too fat.
Oh my
Too
God.
much McDonald's. Too much Jollibee.
Stretchable naman.
Inasal.
Ano siya?
Now I know where Timu sell. You know where I see a lot of like that dress? You know
In China.
where?
And Korea.
No, in Manila, Burgos.
Really?
Street.
Yeah, because you like burgos.
Everyone work like that dress there.
Yeah.
From Timu.
Like this dress?
Yes.
Sitro.
Yeah, you like Manila and Burgos?
No.
You like, you all the time go back there.
Makati there.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you,
easy.
Street.
you all the time go back there.
Maybe someone is there.
Yeah. Ito nga yung binili ko para kay Lele at na-late yung iba. Meron pang iba. Kasi nga diba magwe-winter na sa Poland. Ayan, binilan ko siya ng kwak. Si Lele lang yung binilan ko kasi hindi na enough yung aking...
Is the pyjama?
It's for the winter. And this one also for Lele. Lele, my love. Sana all mga kabili.
Oh my god.
Ayan, Lele, this is for
Rabbit
you.
bunny.
This is a rabbit bunny.
But
This
we don't
is a
have
bunny.
winter in Philippines.
No, it's for Poland. Lele is going to experience winter in Poland. Ayan, there's set ko siya, guys. I'm excited sa winter sa Poland. Meron ng outfit si Inday yan. Pilipinas ko pa binili. Tapos, ito na nga yung suotin niya sa kasal. Pero isa lang yung binili ko Ayan na lang, mag-walk na lang sa secondary. Ito na nga yung pre-order na binili ko sa kanya. Oh my God! This is so expensive.
Oh my God, you have Dolly in the family?
Yes, my baby is a dolly. Ayan siya. See that? I like it. Nice siya, Beshi. Ang ganda niya, not bad. Pang outfit niya. At meron pa, ayan na nga dito. May pa-ribbon. Attach lang sa yung ribbon niyo ba?
Cute.
O, diba?